Okay guys, let's get started with this video. So first things first, what I usually do before I start putting on any makeup or whatever is I moisturize my face. And what I use to moisturize my face is this lotion, Nivea lotion. It's cocoa butter 48-hour deep moisture serum.
Nice.
So it really moisturizes your face. So basically I take a little bit and I rub my hands together like this. It's already looking kind of smooth already. Right? And after that, after I moisturize my face, I start off with a simple foundation. So this foundation is called Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. Matte Poreless. It's a 335. So I open it up and I have my little brush, my blending brush. I don't like having too much foundation on, so I don't put a lot on my blending brush. I put just like a little dab. And then my hair out of the way. Whew. And then I like dab it a little under my eyelids. And then I kind of smooth it out. I don't know if you guys can really tell a difference, but once I do this, I smooth it out under my eyelids, smooth it out. Pieces of my nose, and I just smooth it out. And then I add some more. Just a little another dab. Oh, that's too much. That's more than a dab. And then I put it under my chin, under my nose line, and on my nose. And then I start dabbing. Before I smooth it out, I dab to make sure I got all of it, and then I smooth it out. You guys see? So a little more dabs. See, I don't put any foundation on my birthmark, so that's where I go around. That's why in this face, I go carefully, and I just go in kind of circles around my birthmark before I dab, before I start smoothing it out, so it can be really good. See? And then now do like tiny dabs. And then smooth it out. There. Foundation is applied. It's complete. That's pretty much all I use as far as like foundation and stuff for the face wise. Now it's time to do my eyebrows. So basically how I do my eyebrows is I have this pen, this Brow Stylist definer from L'Oreal. It has the thing, it's pretty much almost all used up. I used it a lot. And then it has the eyebrow brush. So at first I start off with the eyebrow brush and I just brush my eyebrow hairs upwards and kind of out. Brush it up and then down to kind of give it that shape. Brush it up to make it full and then down to give it that shape. Good. Next, I get my eyebrow pencil, which needs to be sharpened. So I get my sharpener. It's right here. And I sharpen my pencil so that it's really pointy, because when it's really pointy, that's what makes it run and go smoother. So around this much pointy, that's good. That's perfect, actually. Get out of the way. So basically, all I do is put my eyebrow up, and then I just outline it. They're really thick, guys, so I mean it still looks good. It's just really thick I don't really like thick eyebrows. So I'm gonna thin it down some with some concealer. My really good one is upstairs. I don't feel like going upstairs to get it, so we're using this one. So at first I do a light concealer to really like sharpen it out some. Okay, eyebrows are done. They're not the best, but they're not the worst either. So I'm just gonna go over that with a little bit, just a tiny bit of foundation to like really blend it in. Like that. There we go. So the next thing that I do, I apply some eyeliner to the bottom of my eyelids. This is like, it makes your eyes really pop out. See, the eyeliner is what pops out your eyes. Now we're gonna go eyeshadow. This is what like makes your eyes like smoky eyes. So this is how I do mine. So I usually tend, based on what I wear, that's what the color usually is. So today I'm going to use this very light purple color for the base, like kind of like the base of my eyelids. So I just do that and apply it. You guys can probably barely see because it's very, very, very light color. It's basically like a shimmery light purple. See you guys? This is how you do it. I'm sorry, I'm trying to talk and do this at the same time. I'm sorry if you guys are getting bored, but I'm trying to like focus because I'm not trying to mess it up, because I'm actually going somewhere and I'm not trying to go somewhere looking like a clown. So you gotta like focus. Makeup is like an art, and not everybody has that ability to learn that art and be good. I'm not one of those people that are really like good when it comes to makeup, so I'm just trying to like focus to make sure I don't mess up and then end up looking like a clown when I go out. You guys know it's almost my birthday soon. My birthday is next Wednesday. Ooh, about to turn 17. But yeah, so I applied the purple eyeshadow. See? Now I'm about to apply a little highlighter to the lids, like the creases of my eyes. And sometimes I like using my thing as like highlighter for my nose and stuff. Ooh, you guys see that glow? Ooh. And I would sometimes use it as highlighter for my face to give me that, you know, glow. I'm almost done, guys. That's pretty much it. The next thing that I'm gonna do is add on some eyelashes. So these are like really luminous, thick eyelashes. I bought them off of Amazon. They were only, I think, only like $6.99, $7. So they're really cheap and they're really good. So I'm gonna apply on and put on some eyelashes. And the glue that I use is called Eyelash Adhesive Super Strong Hold Black Glue. You can buy it anywhere. You can buy it at a beauty supply store. You can buy it off Amazon. You can buy it anywhere. I'll drop the links of where I got all my products down below. Eyelash 1. Okay, and the next eyelash. Eyelashes like really like pop out your eyes, guys. Like, oh my gosh, can you see this? They're so pretty. You guys understand what I'm saying? Like, you see? Look how popped out they are. Like, ooh. Feeling myself. Okay. Anyways, now time for the next one. Okay, so the next and final most thing that I do is for my lips. So I usually put on like regular, like really cute goddess gloss first to like just give it that like shine and that color. I've never actually opened this one before. I just bought it recently, so I never actually opened it, so I'm having like a hard time opening, so give me a second, guys. So I actually bought this from like a regular grocery store that is like right up the street from my house. So basically, you add some. And to really give my lips that outline, I'm gonna use my eyebrow pencil. And then I add some lip gloss. And I kind of blend it in. And voila, I'm done, guys. So this is my makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. I love you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Have a nice day. Mwah.